This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Eddie. Nintendo is letting me become a publisher. Nintendo. It's a license to print money.
You feel that strongly about it?
Yeah, clearly.
Then I'm upping your interest rates.
Fine.
And I want your house as collateral.
Fine.
And if you miss one payment, that house is ours.
며칠 전 한 비디오 게임 박람회에서
Go, go, go! Come on, wanna play? It's like chess.
바둑을 원하던 행크는
Go didn't go as planned.
일이 잘 풀리지 않자 다른 게임들을 둘러보는데
Tracy, what are you doing?
자신이 고용한 판촉 사원이
Paying you to sell my game, not play other people.
Relax, Hank. This game is swell.
한 게임에 정신이 팔려 있는 모습을 보죠. 그런데 이 게임
What's it called?
Tetris.
테트리스였습니다.
Hank, try it.
당시엔 듣도 보도 못한 이상한 게임 따위 꿀잼이었죠.
It was the most beautiful thing I'd ever seen, Eddie.
테트리스의 진가를 알아본 행크는
I played Tetris for 5 minutes. I still see falling blocks in my dreams. This game isn't just addictive. It stays with you.
그 길로 은행으로 달려왔습니다.
It's the perfect game.
Why are you telling me this?
Because you're looking at the proud licensee of Tetris in Japan for PC,
방금 사들인 저작권으로 큰 사업을 벌이기 위해
games console, and arcade.
대출을 당기려고 지점장을 설득 중이었습니다.
Is this a joke? You took the money you owed this bank for your failed video game to buy yet another video game?
Correct.
게다가
Tetris is already a hit.
Where?
Russia. Because you're not gonna believe where I was yesterday.
행크가 자신만만했던 이유는
I have a meeting with Hiroshi Yamauchi, your CEO.
닌텐도와 접선에 성공했던 것.
Rogers.
그런데 이 녀석
Not in book.
Oh. Okay.
약속을 잡고 온 게 아니라
Could I use your restroom before I go?
On the left.
Left.
몰래 사장실로 올라가려는 생각이었죠.
Hi, I have a meeting with Mr. Yamauchi. I want
Mr. Rogers, you're trespassing. Mr. Yamauchi is out of town. So
Well,
if
I
you'd
know
like
that's
to...
not true because I saw him arrive this morning and his car is still outside.
그런데
Hank Rogers, Bulletproof Software.
될놈 되리였죠. 테트리스를 플레이해본 야마우치 사장은
Buy you out for 500,000.
즉시 거액의 매입금을 제안하는데
500 grand? Hank, let me get you that drink.
이 녀석
I told them no.
더 큰 그림을 바라봤죠.
Are you out of your fucking mind?
I got a bigger vision, Eddie. That is why I'm here.
그가 그리는 그림에는
I'll publish it and cover all upfront costs.
단순히 저작권을 비싸게 파는 것에 그치지 않았습니다.
We publish our games in-house. We don't use outside partners.
You don't do it often. True. But you do make exceptions. Because you know as well as I do. Partners are what make us great.
또한 그 큰 그림을
That's why Mario has Luigi. That's why Zelda has Link. That's why Mike Tyson has whoever he's punching out in Punch-Out.
관철할 설득력까지 지니고 있었죠. 결국
We want you to make 200,000 cartridges.
제품 20만 개를 생산하기 위해 필요한 돈
You want $2 million?
No.
Had me worried for a bit.
I need a check for $3 million.
That's the punchline? You want a check from me. And how did you get to $3 million?
Because I'll need $2 million for Nintendo cartridges and $1 million to make arcade machines. I have Tetris for arcade too, remember? Arcade is a cash business and the money comes in fast, which is great for both of us.
너무나 큰 돈이었지만
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Eddie. Nintendo is letting me become a publisher. Nintendo. It's a license to print money.
무려 그 닌텐도가 인정한 게임
You feel that strongly about it?
Yeah, clearly.
Then I'm upping your interest rates.
Fine.
And I want your house as collateral.
Fine.
And if you miss one payment, that house is ours.
그렇게 한 남자의 모든 걸 건 역대급 사업이 시작됩니다. 그리고
This was not what you promised, Hank.
Pioneers have to bet the house to win.
아내와 상의한 내용은 아니었습니다. 하지만
Maya, what do you think?
面白い。これもらっていい?
딸의 인증 마크를 얻어내자
This is gonna work.
Is that a promise you can keep?
It is.
아내는 쿨하게 넘어가 주었죠. 다음 날 행크의 회사에선
Minasan, watashi tachi wa okina shubansha ni natta.
회사의 새로운 비전을 당당히 선포합니다. 그런데 다음 날
Bulletproof, Hank speaking.
Yes, hello, Mr. Rogers. Kevin Maxwell, CEO of Microsoft.
사실 미러소프트는
Do you have the video game rights?
Microsoft control all rights on all platforms worldwide.
일본을 제외한 전 국가의 저작권을 소유한 기업이었고
I'm calling because I'm told you bought PC, video game, and arcade rights for Tetris in Japan, yes?
That's right.
Well, it turns out we already licensed arcade to Sega in Japan.
What? When?
행크가 사들인 저작권에는 오락실 저작권이 제외됐다고 주장합니다.
But I paid for arcade. We signed a contract.
No. You signed your end. I've yet to sign mine.
게다가
What the fuck, Mr. Maxwell?
You're gonna fucking bankrupt me.
Do you want PC and video game or not?
No.
That's what I thought.
잔뜩 약올리고 전화를 끊어버리죠.
We just lost arcade rights.
행크는 급히 닌텐도로 향하고
Can I get an advance on my future Nintendo residuals, please?
오락실 저작권을 사들이기 위해 돈이 필요한 상황.
Mr. Yamauchi invites you to meet his Nintendo colleagues in Seattle. We might have something to help you out.
그렇게 시애틀로 간 행크는
Hello, Hank. Minoru Arakawa, president of Nintendo of America.
그곳에서 최초의 게임보이를 마주하게 됩니다.
Go ahead, try it.
We're launching in June, and we want publishers like you to be on the lookout for new games.
So you'll package it with Mario?
Yes, it's our best brand.
그리고 그 최고의 게임에
Package it with Tetris.
테트리스를 제안했고
Can you get us the rights?
이제 필요한 건 오락실 저작권이 아닌 휴대용 콘솔을 위한 저작권.
My name's Hank Rogers. I'm here to see Kevin Maxwell.
저작권 협상을 위해 미러소프트로 향했고
Do you have an appointment, sir?
Nope. It's a surprise.
그곳에는
I'm doing my best.
No, do not say that. No, you're not doing your best.
소련의 최초 제작자로부터 저작권을 사들인 중간 판매자 스타인이 있었죠.
The Soviets are not stupid. They know that Tetris sells.
그리고 사실
But they're refusing to engage with me on arcade rights until I pay them for the royalties I owe them on the computer games.
스타인도 아직 오락실 저작권을 손에 넣지 못한 상황.
And I can't pay them until you pay me.
Hank Rogers to see Kevin Maxwell.
What the bloody hell's he doing here?
Bring him in. Robert Maxwell, chairman of the Mirror Group.
사무실로 들어온 행크는
Oh, we were just talking Tetris, actually. This is Robert Stein of Andromeda Software,
전화로 약을 올려댔던
and my son.
I can introduce myself, Father. Thank you. Kevin Maxwell, CEO of Mirrorsoft.
케빈도 마주하게 되죠.
Sold my arcade rights to Sega.
Well, it seems everything sorted itself out, yes?
Yes, but then I wouldn't be able to talk to you about handheld Tetris.
Handheld.
What I couldn't figure out is who controls the rights.
Mr. Stein controls all the exclusive worldwide licensing rights. That's
케빈은 일단 스타인에게 저작권이 있는 척 거짓말을 합니다.
Then I would like to buy your worldwide handheld rights. Today.
We'll consider your offer,
I
Hank.
can handle this, Father. We'll consider your offer, Mr. Rogers.
I haven't made one yet.
Yeah.
케빈에게 한 방 먹인 행크가 나가고
And do not bother coming back here without fully executed contracts, including handheld Tetris. Yes?
스타인도 밖을 나서는데
Mr. Stein,
행크가 그를 기다리고 있었죠.
what happened in there?
It's complicated.
You don't control handheld rights?
그는 케빈을 통하지 않고
I'll pay you $25,000 to secure me worldwide handheld rights.
스타인에게 직접 파격적인 제안을 건넵니다.
I guess it wasn't so complicated.
그런데
Hello?
Hank, it's Howard
Lincoln, Nintendo America. Listen, I just heard that Robert Stein is selling handheld Tetris to Atari.
for $100,000.
더 파격적인 곳에다 팔아치우고 뒤통수를 쳐버린 스타인.
I paid Stein to get me handheld rights.
What's happening?
Is Stein cutting you out and getting the deal for himself?
I mean, if he is, he's cutting out more than just me.
그리고 그 행동은
Are you selling handheld Tetris to Atari behind my back?
Kevin, good to see you.
Do not call me Kevin. We are not chum.
미러소프트 역시 배신하는 짓이었죠.
You deal with Mirrorsoft exclusively. Or have you forgotten your contract?
하지만 스타인의 입장에선
Because I haven't got any yet. Okay.
소련에게 줘야 할 로열티를 미러소프트가 주지 않은 상황. 결국
No, I'll negotiate directly with the Russians. We're through.
스타인과 손절하는 케빈. 한편
Well,
행크는
you can't just go to the Soviet Union, Hank. You need a business visa, a full background check. It takes months.
Well, get a tourist visa then.
That's a felony. They could throw you in jail.
감옥에 갈 위험을 감수하고 최초 제작자가 있는 소련으로 향합니다.
You're Danish.
I'm Dutch.
Yet you sound American.
입국과 동시에 행크의 정보들은 정부기관에 전달되고
I don't suppose you know where I can find a Lorg?
Yes.
저작권을 가진 회사를 찾아가는 것부터 난항을 겪게 되죠. 그러던 중
Salutations! Sasha, Translation Services is deemed to meet you.
지나가는 여행객을 붙잡아 통역을 해주며 돈을 버는 사샤를 우연히 만나
Where I really need to go is a Lorg?
그녀의 도움으로 엘로지를 찾을 수 있었습니다.
This is not America. Entering a government structure without invite is highly illegal.
하지만
I didn't travel 5,000 miles to be stopped by a door.
행크에겐 뒤가 없었습니다.
Документы. Николай Евгеньевич, похоже, это к вам.
그런데
Hi, Hank Rogers. Bulletproof software.
Here to license the worldwide handheld rights from you.
그 상황을 실시간으로 도청 중인 소련의 정부기관 그리고
I'm sorry, I don't speak.
들어가는 것만으로 중범죄인 이곳에
Sorry, Sasha, but I really need you.
사샤가 필요했습니다.
He says Elorg never licensed Tetris video game rights to anyone ever, only the computer game version.
하지만 이곳까지 와서도
No, that can't be true. Look, a Lorg licensed the rights to Robert Stein and Andromeda.
Andromeda to Mirrorsoft, and Mirrorsoft's representative in Las Vegas to Bulletproof Software, which is me.
저작권에 문제가 생긴 시작점은
I give it to Mirrorsoft to send to you?
He denies obtaining a tape
알아낼 수 없었죠.
and says that this is an illegal copy.
오히려 저작권을 산 행크가 불법료가 되어 있었고
He thinks I stole Tetris?
Affirmative.
Tell him I have my whole life and then some invested in this game. He's mistaken.
결국
Советую вам немедленно покинуть госучреждение. В противном случае вы, как иностранный гражданин, будете арестованы, отправлены в тюрьму.
He says he's not mistaken.
Is that all he said?
쫓겨나게 생긴 와중
Okay. Tell him I'll fix this. We can
Он говорит, что
figure out
уладит
console,
это недопонимание.
and
Предлагает
then we can talk
права
handheld.
на...
Хорошо, завтра в 9 утра.
He says return in the morrow at 9 o'clock.
가까스로 다음 약속을 잡고 나오는데
I need an international payphone.
행크는 이제
I convinced my wife to risk her home so that I could afford Tetris video game.
그가 당겼었던 풀 대출에
If I don't fix this, I'm fucked.
초비상이 걸려버렸죠. 뿐만 아니라
Mr. Rogers, a word, please.
도청을 듣고 찾아온
Do you know who I am?
I've got an idea.
Go home. Understood?
정부 소속 요원의 협박까지. 하지만
Any chance I can cajole you into changing your mind?
Not a chance.
행크가 여기서 포기할 리 없었죠. 결국 다시 엘로지를 찾아가
Hank, this is Alexei Pajitnov, the inventor of Tetris.
테트리스 원작자와 대면하는 기회를 얻습니다. 그런데
Пожалуйста, товарищ Беликов, продолжайте.
다짜고짜 이곳에 들어온 의문의 남성은
Sorry, but who are you?
Please sit.
전날 본 인상 빡센 요원을 데려와
The more important question here is, who are you?
어제와 똑같은 협박을 이어갑니다.
Your visa says you're a tourist, but you're not. You go home today. This production of Tetris. All will be forgiven.
그가 이렇게까지 하는 이유는
Mr. Maxwell, Valentin Trifonov, Central Committee of the Communist Party Department of Foreign Trade.
My father told me to expect Gorbachev.
And you're not your father. You're here for Tetris, yes?
미러소프트의 사주를 받은 부패 관리였기 때문이죠.
Will you stay and face the consequences?
하지만
I'm not going home without a deal.
그의 고집은 목숨의 위협조차 초월합니다. 트리포노프가 떠나고
Alexei, I just want to say that your game is brilliant.
Think I speak English.
알렉세이를 설득하기 시작하지만
I have so many questions. But first, I want you to know that when I clear up this misunderstanding, and hopefully secure handheld rights, I'm gonna make you a millionaire.
행크는 잊고 있었습니다.
I do not have right to receive money from my game.
Well, that's criminal.
이곳은
No, it is communism.
사유재산 따위 인정되지 않는 소련이었다는 것을
Другие покупатели уже здесь?
엘로지 회장 벨리코프는
Держите их отдельно.
트리포노프의 오더대로
If I'm a thief, why would I come to Moscow and proudly show you my game?
저작권을 가장 비싸게 판매하기 위해 구매자들의 말을 뜯어보죠.
Mr. Belikov inquires as to why you mention arcade rights.
I bought Japanese arcade rights too, only to find out that Mirrorsoft already licensed them to Sega.
그리고
Ilorg never transacted arcade rights to anyone, Hank.
행크는 저작권에 문제가 생긴 이유가
Wait, hold on. I don't know if you know, but Stein and Mirrorsoft are selling Tetris video game and arcade rights worldwide.
스타인이 처음부터 얻지도 못한 저작권을 판매해서였다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
Can I see the contract you signed?
벨리코프는 행크를 그곳에 두고
Mr. Belikov, thank you very much for agreeing to meet.
미리 와 있던 케빈을 만나죠.
Mr. Belikov asks, what is this? He asks if you authorize the sale of Tetris video games to Hank Rogers.
Mr. Belikov, I run one of the largest media companies in Europe. I don't have time to meddle in the day-to-day aspects.
케빈이 말을 얼버무리자
So, could we talk about handheld Tetris
Tomorrow, thank you.
Yeah.
행크의 말이 사실이었다는 걸 눈치챕니다.
I read the contract
Я прочел контракт.
and I agree.
그리고 엘로지와 스타인 간의 계약서를 읽어본 행크는
You never intentionally sold video game rights to Robert Stein. But here's the thing. Okay, this is a Nintendo, and this is a personal computer. What's the difference?
No keyboard for Nintendo.
No keyboard for Nintendo. You speak English.
컴퓨터의 정의가 모호한 점을 이용하여 스타인이 장난질을 쳤다는 걸 밝혀냈죠.
Robert Stein screwed you, but legally speaking,
법적으로는 해석에 따라 컴퓨터의 범위에 비디오 게임도 포함될 수 있었고
he didn't steal from you, which means I didn't steal from you.
따라서 행크가 소유한 비디오 저작권은 합법.
Next time define computer so you can hold on to your video game rights.
꿀팁까지 한 스푼 전수해주고
What about arcade?
There's nothing in that contract about arcade rights.
그리고 스타인이 세가에 판매한 오락실 저작권은
That Stein definitely stole from you.
명백한 불법이었죠.
How much are they worth?
$150,000.
그리고 그 길로
Where does he keep running to?
계약서를 수정하여 행크에게 검토를 부탁합니다.
Whereas PC computers consist of processor, monitor, disk drive, and keyboard. Yeah, much better.
그 계약서를 들고 또다시
Okay, what is going on?
역시 이미 와 있던 스타인을 찾아가
What is this?
Your contract.
$150,000 for arcade rights? Who the hell gave you these numbers?
Who gave Sega the right to sell Tetris Arcade in Japan?
업보를 돌려받도록 만들죠. 하지만
He says we are done for the day.
But we haven't discussed handheld yet.
До завтра.
He says we will gallantly attack that in the morrow.
정작 행크는 이곳에 온 원래 목표를 시작조차 못했기에
You want a lift?
알렉스에게 다가가
I have car. Can I get a lift then?
자연스레 차를 얻어 탑니다.
Mr. Rogers, I don't need small talk.
Look, believe it or not, I honestly want to get to know you. If not as a business partner, then as a fan.
넉살 좋게 들이대지만
Come to my hotel for dinner tonight.
No.
Then can I come to your house?
Having a foreigner in one's home is crime here.
이곳은 소련이었습니다.
So, just call.
하지만 연락처는 받을 수 있었고 호텔로 돌아오는데 쪽지에는 전화번호 대신 집 주소와 함께 오늘 7시에 보자는 내용이 적혀 있었고
Hello?
Hi.
알렉세이와 많은 대화를 나누며
So, Hank, how do you like Moscow?
Honestly, it's a bit confusing.
Russia is a difficult country to love at first. Much like our literature, it's cold and dark on the outside.
But also romantic and inspired.
Nobody sees that side anymore.
그가 현재의 소련에 회의감을 가지고 있는 것을 알게 됩니다.
So, you are a game designer, Hank?
And a programmer. Well, no, I've mostly been doing sales lately.
그렇게 두 공대생은
Pascal or assembler?
I was going to ask you the same thing. I like Pascal. Assembler is my go-to. Never underestimate
the power of basics.
하루 만에 찐친이 되어버렸죠.
This is it?
알렉세이는 그런 행크에게
Amazing.
테트리스 원본을 보여줬고
Can I play? It's always been bugging me. Why can't both lines disappear at once instead of one at a time?
Because I never thought of that.
행크도 아이디어를 제시합니다.
We should allow up to 4 lines to disappear at once.
We should?
그렇게 코딩을 수정한 결과 두 공대생의 도파민이 폭발하죠.
Life is hard, and we deserve our small celebrations.
I forgot how much fun this is.
그런데 누군가가
Stay quiet.
What's
알렉세이의 집 문을 두드립니다.
Добрый вечер. У вас не будет немного соли?
다행히 그 정체는 이웃이었지만
Sorry, Hank, you have to go.
오래 있어서 좋을 건 없었죠. 하지만
Okay. But only if you come with me.
What?
We should go out.
더 놀자고 때를 쓰는 행크.
Show me the real Moscow where people like you hang out.
Hank, it is really not good idea.
Yeah, I know, but sometimes you gotta say fuck the rules, right?
소련의 상황을 모르는 이 철없는 친구의 말은
More of what you had in mind, Hank, yes?
굿 아이디어였죠. 그곳은
You know these people? I work with a few of them, yes.
알렉세이와 같은 생각을 가진 사람들의 모임이었고 대중을 주목시킨 여성의 연설을 통역해줍니다.
All of us are tired of the hypocrisy and the career politicians. We all want freedom. Freedom of speech. Freedom of art of expression.
행크는 그녀의 말에
We want Coca-Cola.
Hey, hey!
격렬히 공감해 주었죠.
Let's drink for this.
그런데 행크의 동선은 실시간으로 트리포노프에게 보고되고 있었고
마야, もうちょっとで帰るからそこ片付けて。
행크의 가족에게도
Kimmy Rogers, do you know where your husband is?
그의 시선이 닿고 있었습니다.
Well, if he does. Tell him to come home. Immediately. We have beautiful children.
과연
Go home!
행크는 위기를 극복하고 사업을 성공적으로 이끌 수 있을까요? 영화 테트리스 애플 TV 플러스에 공개된 당일 순위권 1위를 차지할 정도로 주목받은 작품으로 로튼토마토 전문가 평가 81%, 관객 평가 91%를 찍었던 만큼 호평을 받은 작품이기도 하죠. 테트리스 저작권 분쟁이라는 독특한 소재의 실화를 흥미롭게 풀어낸 영화 테트리스를 애플 TV 플러스와 안드로이드용 애플 TV 플러스 앱에서도 감상하실 수 있음을 알려드리며 물러가겠습니다. 감사합니다.
누구냐 너? OTT. 너는 계획이 다 있구나. 허위가 계속되면은 그게 관리인 줄 알아.
왜 또 손잡이를 어이라 그래요? 어이. 너를 돌리려고 하는데 손잡이가 빠졌네. 이런 상황을 어이가 없다 그래요.
어이? 어이가 없네, 개새끼. 아가리또 고자이마스.